Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a concept board. First, gather your materials. You'll need a base, like a large poster board or a digital canvas, and various visual elements. Think about the core idea you want to explore and how different images, textures, and colors can convey that message effectively. This initial step is crucial for setting the right foundation. Now let's talk about what you'll need. For a physical board, grab a large foam core or cork board, scissors, and adhesive. If you're going digital, select a platform like Pinterest, Milanote, or a simple design software. The key is to have a diverse collection of elements that resonate with your concept, ensuring a rich visual story unfolds. With your materials ready, it's time to arrange them. Begin by placing your most impactful images or keywords at the center. Then, build outwards, grouping related items to create a cohesive narrative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements. Sometimes, a surprising layout can spark new insights. Aim for a balanced and visually appealing composition. Finally, it's time to refine your concept board. Step back and assess if it clearly communicates your vision. Remove any elements that feel out of place or distract from the main message. Once you're satisfied, consider sharing your board with others. Their fresh perspective can offer valuable feedback, helping you further develop and articulate your ideas with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.